So in this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Postgres extension pgstattuple. So this extension is distributed with Postgres, but it's not installed by default. So to use it, you need to install it. This is the document page within Postgres documentation for it. As you can see, it's very short, it's very brief, it's very to the point. It's a great extension that you can use to determine your table bloat. This is a typical page in Postgres. They're around 8 kilobytes in size, some special bytes reserved for headers and footers. There are line pointers and tuples. Now over time, you will get some inserts and updates occur, and your table will start to look like this. So you can see there an extra row has been inserted, and one row has been deleted or updated and is now marked as reusable. Now where this extension is really useful is it lets you see how many bytes you are using within a page or all of your pages across your entire table, how much is dead space and how much is free space that you can use to insert new rows in, and how much space you can claim back to actually insert new rows in. So to get started, let's head over to our IDE. First thing you need to do is you need to install the extension. And then we'll create a small demo table just to hold some data, insert some data into that. Here you can see we have 10 rows inserted. We can select all of them. Yeah. Now if you select the information that's offered by the extension, here you can see that the first row or first record column is the total table size. That's 8K, which is one page. We have 10 rows. Those 10 rows consume around 320 bytes, which is around 3.1 or 3.91% of the table. We have 0 dead rows, and you can see the free space that we have and percentage of that table which is free. So now if we go ahead and we delete some rows, and then we check the information offered by that extension again, here we can see that as it should, it displays deleted 3 rows, the amount of bytes that is consumed by those now dead rows, and the percentage of the table that is consumed by those dead rows. Even though this example is small, this can be massively amplified over large tables and a large number of pages. But what this does do is it gives you an insight into the amount of space that you will claim back within your pages, and the amount of space it will allow you to use to reinsert new data. So now if we vacuum, here you go, and you can see here by vacuuming the table, the number of rows displayed has reduced by the number of rows that we've deleted, including the ones that deleted. So as you can see here, we now have 7 rows left in the table, which is to be expected. We have 0 dead, 0 bytes being consumed by dead rows. Our free space has increased slightly and our free percentage has increased slightly, therefore showing you how much space you can claim back by performing a vacuum against this table. It's a great extension and it's an excellent indicator of when tables can and should be vacuumed. Thanks for watching.